All right, so where we were a second ago, we had 120x plus 30y is less than or equal to 3,000. And we had 4.5x plus 3y is less than or equal to 180. And we also had x is greater than or equal to 15. All right, and our objective function is just going to be x plus y, total amount of food. Okay. We need to plot these graphs in Desmos, so we got to get y by itself here. So in that blue one right here, I'm just going to write it over here on the other side to save some time. So we're going to have y is less than or equal to 3,000 minus 120x all over 30. On this red one right here, to get y by itself, y is going to be less than or equal to 180 minus 4.5x all over 3. And we also have x is greater than or equal to 15. Okay. Remember, graphing these in Desmos, we have to put equals into this thing instead of the greater than or equal to. So let's go take care of this real quick. So we're going to have y equals parentheses 3,000 minus 120x all over 30. And then our next one's going to be y equals 180 minus 4.5x over 3. All right. And we also know we're going to have a meet in here. So x equals 15. All right. So if x, now, first of all, let's start here, right? So we want x to be greater than 15. All right. So if x is going to be greater than 15, we cannot go to the left of this green line. So all this area over here that we usually thought about with these functions is out. Okay. So we want to be to the right of this green. Okay. We want to be to the right of the green, but we need to be underneath the blue and underneath the red. Okay, underneath the blue and underneath the red. So what's going to happen here, ladies and gentlemen, is our objective area is going to be, okay, this point here at 1537.5, and then we're going to have another point there at 1636, another point there at 25.0. All right. So with those 3 points, we had, son of a gun. The first point is 1537.5. So 15 plus 37.5, because we're trying to do x plus y, is equal to 52.5. Okay. 15 plus 37.5 is equals 52.5. So that's one of our objectives. Okay. Here we have another point of 1636. So 16 plus 36 is 52. So obviously the point 1537.5 will win out, 1636 there, and our last point is 25.0, which is just 25. All right, and since we're trying to maximize x plus y, the 1537.5 is our winner. Okay, so you could eat 15 pounds of meat, 37.5 pounds or ounces, excuse me, of vegetables, and that'll maximize the amount of food that he eats, which is 52.5 ounces. All right. So maximum number of ounces of food that he can eat, 52.5. Okay, because you take your objective function x plus y and you plug in the x and the y's of all the corner points of those three constraint functions. Okay. Sorry the video was a little long, took longer than I expected, but hopefully that gives you kind of a hand on the review. And I hope you guys have a good day, and I'm here if you need any help. Take care.